Hybrid engines are different. They face unique stress from frequent start-stop driving, short trips, and lower operating temperatures. That's why Lucas Oil developed two specialized solutions, Lucas Hybrid Oil Treatment and Lucas Hybrid Fuel Treatment, both powered by HybridShield Technology. Let's start with your engine oil. Lucas Hybrid Oil Treatment is designed specifically for all hybrid engines to reduce wear, improve lubrication, protect against cold starts, and better perform under all conditions, including engine wear from start-stops. Simply pour one bottle into your oil reservoir during an oil change or any time between oil change intervals. It goes to work to enhance all types of hybrid engine oils. Next up, your fuel system. Hybrid engines often face carbon buildup from short driving cycles and engine off-idling. Longer fill-up intervals also put your fuel at risk of degrading that can cause major fuel system issues. Lucas Hybrid Fuel Treatment keeps your fuel system clean and improves your engine's performance. Just pour one bottle into a full tank of gas every 3,000 miles or as needed. It helps clean fuel injectors, prevents deposits, enhances combustion, maximizes fuel efficiency, and stabilizes the fuel to fight corrosion. Both formulas use Lucas's exclusive HybridShield technology, engineered to defend all types of hybrid engines and fuel systems from wear, deposits, and unique stress from stop-and-go driving. Protect your hybrid vehicle inside and out with Lucas Hybrid Oil Treatment and Lucas Hybrid Fuel Treatment. Simple to use, proven to perform.